guys, stay tuned to see how I do this delicious chicken, and I'm going to call it chicken teriyaki. So if you like Chinese food and you're into that, this is a perfect recipe to make. Very, very easy to make, guys. We'll get back to another recipe. So I'm going to share with you what you can do with some chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs recipe. So I already washed them off really good. I took the bone and I took some of the skin off. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and make sure you have your bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new recipe. I'm trying to upload as much as I can, twice a week. So yeah, guys, and share and comment down below. I would truly appreciate that. Ingredients is 1/2 tablespoon of ground turmeric. Ingredient is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Ingredient is 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper. Ingredient is 1 teaspoon of paprika. Next ingredient is a chicken spice seasoning, and I did use this kind. So whatever chicken seasoning you guys would like to use for your recipe, it's okay. My next is 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. Now I'm going to add all my ingredients into our bowl. So I have the turmeric, paprika, lemon pepper, garlic powder, parsley flakes, and our chicken seasoning. My hands are washed, so now we're just gonna mix everything in there really good, guys. Really, really good. Now I'm gonna add all my ingredients into our bowl. So I have the turmeric, paprika, lemon pepper, garlic powder, parsley flakes, and our chicken seasoning. My hands are washed, so now we're just gonna mix everything in there really good, guys. Really, really good. Have everything covered with all the ingredients. Now I'm gonna cover this up and just set it aside for about 10 minutes, just so everything can stick to your chicken and all those good flavors. Now our next ingredient will be 2 full tablespoons of soy sauce, and I'm using the less sodium. We don't want it too salty. And 1/3 cup of honey, and I'm using the raw honey. You can use any kind of honey if you want. The honey is going to give it a really sweet kind of flavor to your chicken. So now that I have my pan in a high heat, we're ready to add our honey first. So now we're going to add our honey. We're going to add honey first. Now next is going to be our soy sauce. Now I did lower the heat down. And just make sure you stir this in really good. Now I'm just going to add my chicken into my pan. So make sure you keep it in a kind of like in a low heat at this moment. We don't want our honey to burn. I'm gonna add our chicken in here. So I put in a high medium heat now. So now we're just going to let this fully cook, and I'm going to cover it up so it could be a faster process. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil on top. So basically our chicken is done. So I left it in here about 25 to 30 minutes on a medium-high heat, covered up completely. And with this chicken, you can cut it up in pieces, slices, or serve it fully like it is. So very, very simple to do, guys. You can tell it's really tender. So now I'm just gonna transfer it to a plate. So there you have it, guys. Your chicken teriyaki. Perfect for fried rice or veggies on the side, however you guys want to serve it with. But very, very simple to make, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, please give this a big thumbs up. And don't forget to give my video a comment, a share, and if you're not subscribed, please do so. I would truly, truly appreciate that. So I'll see you guys on the next one.